Infinix will introduce a new Note 10 that has got a moniker Pro at the end. The Chinese company is preparing a new device from its Note series, which will be a high-end smartphone from Infinix. The upcoming new smartphone will be called Infinix Note 10 Pro. The new smartphone will be powered by the Mediatek Helio G95 chipset. This is a powerful chipset that will empower the upcoming smartphone Infinix's Note 10 Pro to provide the user with high-end performance. And also there is an Octa-Core processor under the hood of this smartphone. The coming up new Infinix Note 10 is going to have 6.95 inches, which is a massive screen, and to provide the user with Full HD, plus the resolution of 1080 x 2400 pixels. The device is IPS LCD Capacitive Touchscreen with a protection Corning Gorilla Glass. The new Note 10 Pro by Infinix has got 8 GB of RAM, which is the highest point of RAM used in this smartphone, so you can say that your phone is going to run at a super fast speed because of its powerful RAM. The built-in storage capacity of the Infinix 10 Pro is 128 GB, which means that the capacity of your data is unlimited. And also there is a microSD card if you need more storage. On the rear of the smartphone, there is a quad camera setup. The main camera of Infinix Note 10 Pro is 64 megapixels and other sensors are 8 MP plus 2 MP plus 2 MP. The selfie shooter of the phone will be a 16 MP camera, but it is not confirmed yet. Having a side-mounted fingerprint reader secures the smartphone from unauthorized access. The device will be fueled with a non-removable LiPo 5000 mAh battery that will carry support for fast charging of 30W. Samsung and other tech giants will face serious competition when the coming smartphone 10 Pro will release.